Okay guys, since I got that cane done, I got some more time today. I'm going to be carving this mahogany. It is Honduras mahogany. Pete says, the mad scientist says, this stuff's the cat's ass for mahogany. So I love carving all different types of wood, guys. I haven't carved it yet, so I'm going to carve just a quick video of me carving this mahogany wood spirit. You guys, okay? Thanks for the wood, Pete. I love it, man. I can't wait. Okay, let's see how it turns out. Hey guys, in this quick time-lapse video of carving this wood spirit, this is a piece of mahogany, okay? Honduras mahogany. It's supposed to be the best mahogany out there in mad scientist's eyes anyways, Pete's. And in all my videos, guys, I use these Kutzall Flame Extreme Burs. Look in the description below. Take you to the Kutzall site and use the code CFusion, save yourself 5%. So this is going to be a time-lapse video, guys. Going to see how much I like carving mahogany. First time carving it. Yeah, so Pete wanted to know what I thought of carving this Hungarian mahogany. Well, I love it. Very solid grain. Like he said, you don't even kind of notice there's a grain, guys. So if you can get a chance to carve some mahogany, get yourself some mahogany to carve. I don't think Pete said they might not ship this stuff across the border anymore because like all the theft of wood and like I think like the rainforest and stuff like that. So I got some, Pete gave me some good pieces of it, and absolutely, Pete, I love this wood. Love it. Mahogany, Hungarian mahogany. Cat's ass. Thanks for watching, guys.
Who's there?